Well, the biggest benefit of the surgery was that I could wake up in the morning rested. I know I can live my life and do things, simple things, just like cooking or driving a car. I can stand for more than a minute. And these sound crazy, like they're just simple things, but hey, they mean a lot when you get them back. Hi, my name is Aron B, and I had an L5-S1 disc fusion and L5-L4 laminectomy in late May of 2020. And I have to say, I feel great. It was really life-changing. I actually went to the ER. I was experiencing level 9 pains for 2-hour periods, 4 to 5 times a day for 3 days straight, day and night. And my leg was actually going numb, and I knew something was wrong, and it was getting worse. Well, I'm basically 6 months post-op, and I know that recovery takes time. And this was expected, and as Dr. Weber explained, especially in the lumbar region. I mean, this is the place that basically your body's weight and movement is focused, on your lower spine. My pain levels have gone from 9s and 10s down to about 0s or 1s. Well, the first thing you notice when you walk into the office is that the chairs are apart and distance, and everybody's wearing masks and checking. You even get your temperature checked before you even walk in the door. Safety protocols mean a lot to me, and it's nice to see that they kind of felt the same way. Dr. Weber is the type of doctor that cares about your well-being. Never once was I rushed into a surgery decision. I actually enjoy going to see him and talking to him. And it's rare to find a nice, smart, honest doctor, let alone a gifted surgeon. I'm so glad that he is my doctor. I just can't praise him enough. He literally saved my life. He gave it back to me, and I don't know how to repay him. Other than thank you, Dr. Weber. You and your staff are amazing. Thank you.